Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to draw this coffee mug. Normally how we draw without knowledge of this forms I taught you here in last videos, how we drawing. Nothing wrong in this, but at the end you will see the difference. Like this we will do two lines and then we will make the upper side. Okay, this is also good, nothing wrong in that. Okay, this is how you do. Now, if we see a mug in two parts, it is cylinder and two cylinder. One is the body, other is the handle. So first we'll draw the big cylinder. Remember lips. This is how we make the lips. Then we will draw it to bottom. Two lines. There are many exercises I will post to get your line straightening and daily practicing before you start drawing. I'll post that exercises also in some days. Okay, now we're going to draw the bottom of the mug, this coffee mug. So you see I'm trying first before giving the shape. I'm moving my hand 2-3 times so that I can get the shape perfect in once. Okay, we will dark the corners. You see, now it looks like a transparent mug, coffee mug. I know in photo we can't see, camera can't see through, but as an artist we can imagine. We can't turn off our artistic mind. So I'm drawing the another cylinder in this image. See, this is just a cylinder bend. You can check the last video. In that I show you how to make this bend. Okay, this is 2D and this is simply 3D. Very simple, easy way. Okay, I will show you again. The lips, then we draw the lines, side lines, and bottom lips again. Dark the outer parts. Now the another cylinder, lips, both sides, and just going to connect these points. You see,